Hi guys, good morning or evening or whatever it is where you're watching this. Today it's not going to be a lockpicking video. It is lock related, but it's not going to be a lockpicking video. I thought we would have a look at, well, I'm gonna go out and buy some locks. And I want you guys to help me because I want to look at prices, and I want to look at prices for shipping, and I want you guys to bring me your input on what you want to see, what you want to pick, and ultimately what kind of locks you want introduced into the lock picking, lock sport community. So I have some locks here I've been looking at. This is from Biltema. This is a disc detainer lock, and as you might guess, I have disc detainer pick coming in the mail soon, so I'll be looking into getting some of these. But this is a rather cheap one. It's 200 Norwegian kroners, so that translates to $24, something like that. Yeah, $24.82. And like it says down there below me, shipping in my country, I can basically get any padlock shipped to me from nationally for around 75 Norwegian kroners. 75. So like $9 it cost me to get a lock shipped from anywhere in the country. So this is $24, a rather cheap disc detainer. Next one on the list is awesome. I really want this one. It's an Abus Rock. It's the 8380. Big hulking thing that I probably can damage myself irreparably by dropping on my foot or something. But anyway, it's the Abus Rock. It's a class 4 padlock. Class 4 is meaningless because it basically just means it's meant for outdoor use or external security. Delivered with 3 keys. It's well used, as you can see on the picture. Maybe. And it comes with 3 keys, and he wants 1,000 Norwegian kroners for it. So, translated, that means he wants $124 for it, plus shipping, of course. So, give me your input on that below, comment, please. Next one is a motorcycle lock. It's meant for mounting into a concrete wall to secure your motorcycle. Why it's interesting to me, it's again because it's a disc detainer, and I want to learn how to pick disc detainer locks. So it looks sort of cheap, and it is cheap, 300 Norwegian kroners. That's around $37. Keep in mind though, everything is hysterically expensive here. Next one is another disc detainer, CoCraft 550 HD-3. He wants 150 Norwegian kroners for it, so it's rather cheap. It's $18. And I need you guys to comment. What would you like me to buy? What would you like to see? And would you like... it will ultimately be picked by me and then sent on to the next picker on the list, I guess. Next, we have 2 Abus. I think these are called 8850s, but I also think these are the Prestige Plus cores, disc detainers, which I haven't seen anybody pick yet, I think. It might be the old version, let me know. Security rating is 8, so I don't know, let me know, guys. Is this something? He wants 300 for one, which is $37, or he wants 500 for both of them, which is $62 for both of them plus shipping. So that's the Abus 8850s. Next on the list is, I'm not going to even try to pronounce that, but it's a high quality lock, 40 millimeters with 4 keys. Basically, if you look at the picture, it doesn't look very high quality production to me. But it's a disc detainer, and I want to learn to pick disc detainers. It's 199 Norwegian kroners, so that translates to about $20, I guess. $24.70. Next on the list, we have 2 Abus 8360s. These are also rather large padlocks, and they are branded SSFN014 Class 3. Have no idea what that means. The guy has 2 of them. They are used once, and he will only sell both of them together for 1,900 Norwegian kroners, which translates to $235.83. Good padlocks though, I would love to have them, but that's expensive, I guess. Let me know if it's expensive down there in the comments. I need help, guys, come on. Next, I have already decided to buy one of these. This is the Abus Granite 3755. The guy has 3 of them. And I do believe from the look of how it looks, and these are the early disc detainer Abus cores. So they are sort of pickable. So I think I've decided to buy one of these. They are used, but he wants 400 each. 400 for each of them, which translates to $49 for used Abus Granite. Good deal, bad deal, horrible deal, I don't know. Let me know. I know these are, yeah, we'll get back to that. This one is also, I don't know why I like this one, but it's a Union. It's made in England. It's a big 665 grams of padlock, 63 by 50 by 28 millimeters. 2 keys are included. He wants 180 kroners for it, which isn't a lot, I guess. $22. I think that would be a cool padlock to have. It's older, it's a bit worn, and yeah, it looks nice, so I want it. Next on the list is, this is a bicycle lock. Caught my eye because it's cheap, 150 kroners, so not a lot, and it's a disc detainer, so for learning disc detainers, I guess it will do. Next, same thing, cheap disc detainer lock, 150 kroners. You guys want to see that get picked, or me making an ass out of myself trying to pick it? Let me know. Next one is interesting. This is a Swedish lock. It's called Anchor Lock, I guess, directly translated. It's a disc detainer. It's a rather big padlock. And, well, yeah, it looks good to me. He wants 400 for it, 400 Norwegian kroners, which is $49.65. Want to see that get picked or not picked? Let me know. Next one, I'm probably buying this one. This is an old insurance lock. This is the old Abus 3760. Like you can see, it is very used. Somebody beat the crap out of it, and according to the ad, it needs some lubrication. I think it works, but he wants 100 kroners for it, which is not a lot of money. It's $12 for an Abus insurance lock, and I guess for our purposes, for picking purposes, it'll work fine. Last one on my list for today is an Abus Granite level 10, and it's cheap. Well, let me know if it's cheap. It's 400 Norwegian kroners. That is $49.65 plus shipping, of course. The thing is, these are sold here in Norway. If they're new, they sell in the store for 819. 819, so that's $101 US for that lock, brand new in the store. And if we go to something like eBay, it sells here for 879. Plus shipping, which this is the part I can't understand. I can send a padlock from here to the United States for around 90 Norwegian kroners, which is $11. And if I get one sent from the United States, it's 174. It's more than double the price to send it my way compared to me sending it your way, which is, I don't know. I don't get it. Anyway, guys, if you have some comments, please leave me some comments on the locks below. If you have other ideas for locks I can buy and pick and send on to the next picker, let me know that. Press the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I upload more videos, and I look forward to your comments. Okay, cheers, bye.